Hi, this is Theo. Today we're gonna look at how to install one of these compass and auto dimming mirrors and also homelink. I'm just gonna install it physically. I'm not gonna calibrate the compass or start it up because, as you can see, or maybe not, I'm not sure. I'm working on some other stuff and my battery is currently off, so we're not gonna go into that. So this is a 2004 Forester XT with manual rear view mirror, and I'm going to install one of these. I'm not sure what car they're from. Something newer anyway. So the model of the mirror is ZTVHL3 and the part number is H501SAJ100. The mirror is a GNTX-453. I know that these come standard on some newer Subarus in the US. In Europe we don't get these kind of mirrors. Usually have manual mirrors and maybe auto dimming, but I'm not sure. So this is from the US. I'm in Europe. I already checked and I know that I have the plug up in the ceiling, so hopefully that's gonna work. Other than that, I'm not sure what to tell you. Yeah, the tools that we're gonna need for this install are one Phillips screwdriver, one flathead screwdriver, and a Torx for this to install the mirror that I don't really have right now here, so I need to go get it. But first we're gonna uninstall what we can, starting with the light. I know that we have to take this bezel off. You just snap it out with the fat screwdriver. I'm gonna move the mirror away so that I have more room here. Just like that. This comes off, and you'll see there are two screws in here, and also there is one more screw up here. So let me get you so that you can see. So there's one screw in here and two screws in here. It seems that the last time I took them off I didn't put two black in the front and the chrome one in the back, just to have symmetry, but that doesn't really matter. Then to take off the alt mirror, I know that you have to twist it. Let me just take off this Romania Subaru Fan Club scented thing off. And you have to twist it towards the driver. Twist, and then it just comes out. Just like that. Now, oh yeah, right, I forgot. So in order to install the newer mirror, we need one of these adapters. It's a mirror mount adapter H501SSA041, genuine Subaru. I think I got it off of eBay. So as you can see with these mirrors, the old one is a twist. I think it's called bayonet style. So as you saw, you put it in, you twist it, and it locks in. And the new one has this one has this plate installed already, but this one comes out and the adapter goes in, and the adapter has to go into the windshield mount, and the mirror itself locks onto the windshield with that screw that you saw, torque screw. I'll tell you also what kind of torque screw. Now let's see what's in this bag. I'll put you down again. So yeah, it's a huge adapter. I'm not really sure why they made it so big, but as you can see, it's really big. Oh yeah, I know why, because it has to go over that. Okay. So the way we mount this is that you have this metal wire that replaces the one already in there. So I guess we're gonna need some pliers too. And then you also have this retaining metal part. Doesn't seem to have a thread. I know that this one comes in here, replaces the one already in there. Then this one goes also in there somehow. I guess it's gonna go like this, probably, and then the mount screws into that with these two screws. Yeah, I guess we'll see. Maybe they are self-threading. Looks like the screw is not rounded, so it's a triangular shape. That means that it should be self-threading into this aluminum retainer. Yep, so I'll go get some pliers and also the Torx, and I'll be right back. So I got the pliers and also the Torx screwdriver. So it's a T20 Torx. As you can see, this metal plate comes out. So it looks like this. So now I'm gonna take out this retainer, original one. Looks like this. As a comparison, you can see that they're different. One is made so that you catch this retainer with it. So there's a shape here. And this one goes in like that, and then the retainer comes over it. I think it's also possible to just put the spring in and then the retainer afterwards. Best idea, but it should slide in. Okay, so now I need to mount this big plate in there. This one's also shaped, so it goes over the shape. You'll need the Phillips screwdriver for this. Okay, nice and tight. And now I'll take off the headliner. And you can see back here we've got this plug, 3 wires, and also the controls for lighting and the sunroof. So right now I think we need to pop this out. Hopefully we're gonna be able to stick them on the plug without popping it out. So I mount the mirror because it's easier to just mount it, and then play with the wire. It goes in like that. And let's see if maybe we can put the wire somehow. No, I think it's just gonna come up like this. You just have to feed the plug and the wire to there, okay, and then we'll plug it in, and it should just work like that. And then you just put everything back. Be careful not to catch the wires with your screws. So you'll see that this one has 2 ears here. You have to pop these behind the headliner like that, and then play with the wiring so that it doesn't catch onto something, and then put it in. Okay, so now I'll lift up a bit the mirror so that we can tighten the back screw. So it's a T20 Torx screw. Just tighten that, and that's everything you have to do. Okay, so in the next video we will program this compass. I'm not sure if it's gonna work properly in Europe because it's made for the US, but hopefully it's gonna show properly. To calibrate this, I know that you have to turn it on and then do 2 or 3 full circles until the compass shows properly. So this is it. Hopefully it's gonna work, and see you in the next video.